As developed economies reach the end of industrialization, we have witnessed the rise of new, highly complex challenges that have moved to the forefront of social concerns. Challenges such as climate change, inequality, environmental degradation, terrorism, global financial instability, multicultural integration, and global cybersecurity. These are qualitatively different challenges from the core issues we faced during industrialization. If we turn the clock back 100 years or 200 years, the kind of challenges we faced, although complicated, were much simpler in their nature. The challenge of building and coordinating the railroads, of building the modern nation-state and the bureaucracy required to provide its public services effectively. We had the challenge of building skyscrapers for the first time, of flying around the world, or landing someone on the moon. Today, we can manage complicated rail networks that span the entire European continent. And we can build skyscrapers virtually anywhere in the world, like we are cutting out cookies. These contemporary complex challenges are now termed wicked problems. We now see these challenges as systemic, open-ended, co-evolving, and without known solutions, requiring new ways of innovating, leading, organizing, and responding. A way that leverages the power of the very complexity that creates these challenges. A way that is not incremental or linear, but holistic and networked. An approach that works with complexity rather than pushing against it. Our initial reaction to the unfolding sustainability crisis was to throw stones at the bad guys, the energy companies, corrupt politicians, and the banks. To take piecemeal actions and hope that they would suffice. However, in recent years, such simplified solutions have become increasingly limited by the complexity of the issues and the lack of desired outcomes. We begin to see that traditional linear approaches to systemic challenges are not yielding the desired outcomes. And it is these complex systemic challenges that are central to 21st century reality. In fact, many of these wicked problems can be understood to have arisen from the solutions developed during the industrial age. These industrial age systems of organisation, once great achievements, have in many ways reached the end of their life cycle, leaving us with limitations inherent in their initial design. The combustion of fossil fuels that served us so well for centuries is a classic example. It was Peter Senge who told us that when people who are actually creating a system start to see themselves as the source of their problems, they invariably discover a new capacity to create results they truly desire.